Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app not showing a code. First, open your phone settings. On Android, go to System, then Date and Time, and turn on Set Automatically. This makes sure your phone time matches the server time, which is required for codes to appear correctly. Next, check notifications and background activity. Go to your app settings, find Microsoft Authenticator, and make sure notifications are allowed. Also, ensure background activity or battery usage is not restricted. Now, update the app. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iPhone. Search for Microsoft Authenticator and check if there is an update available. If there is, install the latest version. If the problem is still there, try force stopping the app. Go to your phone settings, then Apps. Find Microsoft Authenticator and tap Force Stop. After that, open the app again and check if the code appears. If none of these steps work, the final option is to reinstall the app. Uninstall Microsoft Authenticator from your phone. Then download it again from the Play Store or App Store. Log in again and set up your accounts. Thanks for watching.